Hello everyone, welcome to the Butterbean Shop. It's Megan here and I'm going to make another soap for you today. Today I will be remaking my Spring Fling soap and I'm thinking about renaming it. It's the scent is actually Clementine and Lavender. And I don't know if I want it to be called Spring Fling because this has been a year-round favorite. And Spring Fling seems to think that it would only come around in spring, which is not the case. So I'm thinking about renaming this soap and I don't know what it's going to be called. And also it has a different look because I used to do this soap in a slab mold that I usually do my facial soaps in, and now I'm making it into bars. Well, you know, my regular size bars. So it's just going to have a different look to it. But it's got the same colors and the same scent, just a different look. And I think I'm going to change the name. So I'll go ahead and get started. Oh, and another difference that I'm doing today is that instead of doing powdered goat milk, I'm doing real goat milk. And I'm not going to do any coconut milk today. So yeah, so that's another difference. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and blend in my kaolin clay and we'll get started. So it's been a couple weeks since I've made some soap because I have been doing a lot of business things. I've been doing inventory, pricing, putting things up on the website. I did a couple of label redesigns. I did a couple of new products. So I do like the cream pots. And I'm thinking about phasing out my whipped body butters and just doing the cream pots now because it has the same stuff. It's just, I like the texture of it better and doesn't melt. So that is what I've been doing. So I haven't really been making soap. So this is my first time making soap in a couple weeks. I want to make sure that there's no chunks of powder in here that will appear in the finished bar. So that's why I'm taking my time and making sure that it's really blended in well before I add the lye. Alright, so now I'm going to add the lye. And that's just aloe, lye, and Tessa silk and sodium lactate. I'm going to go ahead and add my goat milk now. Okay. I think we have it at a good emulsification, and I'm going to go ahead and split this off into colors now. So the colors that I'm going to use, like I said, it's going to be the same as my Spring Fling before. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's Clementine Pop, which is from Rustic Essentials. It's a nice pretty orange, and I'll show you in a minute. I also have Purple Vibrance from Nurture, and I have Green Vibrance from Nurture, and I'm going to be doing the base in titanium dioxide, and I get my titanium dioxide from TKB Trading. I like their titanium dioxide. It's really good, very potent. Okay, so I will go ahead and separate these out now. Probably end up doing a little bit more in there. Okay, so I've split off the colors, and in this bucket I'm going to put the titanium dioxide. Just give this a little mix. Okay, and set that to the side. And this one I will add the orange, which is the Clementine Pop. I love that color. I love this color. Like, this is the prettiest orange I've seen. I mean, I don't have much luck when it comes to oranges, but that orange is, I'm always, this is the purple. I'm always happy with that orange, how it comes out. And then Green Vibrance too. This is a really nice green. It gets funky at first, but then once it saponifies, it goes back to the vibrant green that it is. So it gets this kind of like muted, kind of piney green color when it's before it saponifies, but then after it saponifies, it's where it should be. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this up just a little bit before I add the fragrance oil. Give this a stir. And the fragrance oil that I use is from Rustic Essentials. It's so pretty. Again, I'm not a huge lavender fan, but when you mix it with other things, it is one of my favorites. It gives the base of the oil, the fragrance, a nice herby kind of a floral scent to it without being too pungent, because then the other fragrance comes in and kind of mutes that pungent aroma of the lavender. But you know, for some, they love lavender, and I've tried. I just can't do it without something there to help it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix these up now. Oh, so pretty. So beautiful. Beautimous. Beautimous, beautimous, beautimous. So beautimous. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this because it's so pretty. Okay, you guys, and here is the Clementine Lavender soap, also known as Spring Fling. I don't know if you guys can get a good focus on that. If not, I will bring you in for a close-up. There you go. Spring Fling. Okay, and I will bring you guys back in for the cut. Thanks, bye. Hello everyone, and welcome to the cutting of Spring Fling, or I haven't come up with a name yet. It's either going to be Spring Fling again, or it's just going to be what the fragrance is, which is Clementine and Lavender. So anyway, this was a remake of a very popular soap. I changed up the look of it because it was normally done in a slab mold, and now I've done it in a loaf mold, done a double loaf mold. So let's see what this baby looks like on the inside.